cover Emma. Is Emma cold? Is Emma cold?
Thank you.
Take them off now?
Yeah.
Don't fall. Don't run and fall. Don't fall. Whose tongs are those? Are those Rusty's tongs or are those yours?
How you doing, Mom?
Oh, I'm hanging in there.
You hungry?
Not really. I'm
Yeah.
doing okay. How are you?
I'm good. How'd you like the roof jumping?
That was great, but I was worried for you. I kept my fingers crossed.
You said 1, 2, 3. You made
I
me
know.
jump.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah, did you see Uncle Chris jump off the roof? Did you see Uncle Chris jump off the roof? Yeah.
Hi, Heather.
Say hi, Uncle Chris.
What?
Oops, careful. Careful. Don't tip it over. Say hi to Uncle Chris.
Hi,
Hi
Heather.
to Uncle Chris on the camera. Take a picture. Is Uncle Chris take a picture? Say hi, Uncle Chris. Say hi. Whose shoe? Whose shoe is that? Is that Uncle Rusty's? Is that Rusty's shoe? Is that yours or Rusty's, Chris?
Not mine.
That's Rusty's shoe. Oh, don't pull his ear. It's nice, doggy. Nice, doggy. Everything sure smells good, doesn't it, Chris?
Yeah.
Hello, Miss Heather. You gonna go inside? There she goes.